Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2008 Honda GOLDWING. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2008 Honda GOLDWING with 75,403 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with cruise control, reverse, a multifunction 4-speaker audio system, and electronic locking luggage. It's been upgraded with a California sidecar TRIKE kit, rider footrests, grips, a luggage rack, leather rear fender covers, and pinstriping. Powered by an 1832cc 6-cylinder engine, the GOLDWING puts 118 horsepower and 121 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 6.6-gallon fuel tank, the GOLDWING has a 200 to 250-mile range. In stock form, it has a 29.1-inch seat height and a 905-pound wet weight. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this trike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 430 seconds, and both rear tires at 730 seconds. We took this trike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. Our technician has noted that this trike would not start in the shop, and an audible clicking noise could be heard. We could not duplicate or diagnose the issue. We've posted the service repair order for this trike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this trike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There are paint chips on the rear fender. This trike has a toolkit and one key. It has a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This trike is being sold as is without a warranty. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trade. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.